नमस्कार स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम लॉगरिथम्स के ऐसे क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो न केवल जेईई मेंस में इंपॉर्टेंट है बल्कि एनडीए एग्जाम्स और बाकी और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओके, तो आइए देखते हैं इन क्वेश्चंस को। हियर वी आर गिवन दिस एक्सप्रेशन समेशन r इज इक्वल टू 1 to n ओवर 1 अपॉन log a टू द बेस 2 रेज़ टू द पावर r। इस एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू में फाइंड करनी है। समेशन का मीनिंग होता है जिस वैल्यू के ऊपर ये लगा है r इज इक्वल टू 1 to n, इट मीन्स इसे n टाइम्स हमें अप्लाई करना है। ये मीनिंग होता है समेशन का। जनरली स्टूडेंट्स समेशन नहीं सिग्मा बोलते हैं, बट सिग्मा इज नॉट द राइट वर्ड फॉर दिस नोटेशन। ओके, द राइट वर्ड फॉर दिस नोटेशन इज समेशन। लेट अस सी समेशन ओवर r 1 अपॉन log a बेस 2 रेज़ पर r। अगर इस टर्म को न्यूमरेटर में लेकर आते हैं देन व्हाट हैपेंस? ओके, ये दोनों वैल्यूज चेंज हो जाएंगी, एक्सचेंज हो जाएंगी, एंड a विल कम हेयर एंड 2 रेज़ पर r विल कम हेयर। ठीक है, log a इज जस्ट अ कांस्टेंट थिंग, ओनली 2 रेज़ पर r, दिस इज वेरिएबल टर्म। ओके, यहाँ पर समेशन अप्लाई होगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रिजल्ट। फाइन, सो लेट अस अप्लाई। दिस विल बी log 2 रेज़ पर 1 plus log 2 raised to the power 2 plus and so on, and last term will be log 2 raised to the power n. Because of this n, the last term will be 2 raised to the power n, where base will always be a। ठीक है, हर जगह बेस सेम रहेगा। We have a formula of log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. This will become log to the base a, and the values are 2 raised to the power 1 into 2 raised to the power 2 into dot 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 into 2 raised to the power n। ओके गाइस, ये सारी वैल्यूज मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आ जाएंगी एंड वी नो हाउ टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस। ओके, सो दिस विल बिकम log 2 raised to the power, पावर का एडिशन हो जाएगा। इट मीन्स 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to n। ओके, बेस इज a and we know this value, and this is what? Sum of natural numbers, okay, up to finite value n, or we can say sum of first natural numbers. So this is n, this is equal to summation n, means n plus 1 whole upon 2. ठीक है, so this is the value of this expression. So let us apply log to the base a and 2 raised to the power n plus 1 whole upon 2. Okay, by the property of log we know that log x to the power m is m log x. Okay, so this power will come ahead, so this will be n into n plus 1 by 2 into log 2 to the base a. Okay, now you can see which option is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, x is a positive quantity and logarithm is also defined. So what is the value of this expression? Okay, this we have to find. There may be some option related to this, okay, but quickly see what can we do. So this is in the form of log a plus log b plus log c and so on. So we can apply the formula of log a plus log b, that is log a into b. So this will become log a into log b. Infinite series है, तो let us take only 2 terms and see what happens. क्या पैटर्न बनता है? So this become log 1 plus x square plus x to the power 3 plus and so on. It means यहाँ पर आप ध्यान से देखिएगा, इस सीरीज में कुछ खास बात है। We have taken 4 terms here, और 4 terms में हम ऑब्जर्व करें तो ये एक GP बन रही है। GP means geometric progression. So AR square and so on, GP। और GP के infinite terms का अगर सम फाइंड करें and this sum is equal to a upon 1 minus r. Here a means first term, so what is first term here? 1. What is common ratio? Common ratio means किस क्वांटिटी का मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है? So we see x का मल्टीप्लाई होता जा रहा है हर टर्म में, so this r is x. So let us apply, this becomes a upon 1 minus r. Okay, कंडीशन क्या होती है यहाँ पर? This value r should be less than 1 से छोटा होना चाहिए, and that's why this was given in the question. ठीक है, x का वैल्यू लेस देन 1 है। Now this term is 1 upon, so we can apply log 1 minus x to the power minus 1, and this power will come here minus log 1 minus x. So you saw guys, infinite series का some simple सा एक expression आ रहा है log 1 minus x. We are given that ABC are in GP, and these expression we have to find whether they will be in AP, GP, HP or none of these. What is the property of GP? If three terms are there in GP, तो एक property होती है GP की, and that property is B square is equal to AC. So बीच वाला जो term है middle term, the square of middle term is equal to product of first and last. Okay, so now what can we do from here? Just think, how can we get this? Since logarithm is there, so we have to apply log. ठीक है, log apply करते हैं. So we get log of b square is equal to log of AC. Okay, base नहीं पता क्या है. So since x value use हो रहा था, so let us take the base x. Okay, so this 2 will come here. 2 log b to the base x is equal to log a plus log c to the base x. तो यहां से क्या चीज निकल रही है, जरा ध्यान से देखिए. दिस इज द कंडीशन. ओके, 1 2 and 3 टर्म्स हमारे पास है. ओके, ए बी सी 3 टर्म्स अगर AP में होते हैं, देन व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? डबल ऑफ मिडिल टर्म इज इक्वल टू A plus C. दिस इज द कंडीशन व्हेन 3 टर्म्स आर इन AP. ये ट्रिक है आपके लिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रिक. ओके, सेम GP के लिए ट्रिक था ये, B square is equal to AC, and here trick for AP. Okay, so you can apply anywhere. So this is the golden trick which you can apply here also. 2 times this term is equal to sum of this and this. So we can say log of 1 2 and 3. This will be the middle term. ठीक है, जिस टर्म का डबल हो रहा है वो टर्म क्या होगा? That will be middle term. So this has to be middle term. So log A to the base x, log B to the base x, log c to the base x. ये टर्म्स किस में होंगे? आर इन AP. Okay, so guys, can we tick AP? No. Look carefully. Here it was log x to the base a, and what we have got? Log a to the base x. It means we have to do something. We have to reciprocate this term. We know by the property of logarithm, the base change formula of logarithm, we know that log a to the base b is 1 upon log b to the base a. Okay, we can always write this. So let us write this term 1 upon log x to the base a. This is 1 upon log x to the base b, and this is 1 upon log x to the base c. So अगर इन टर्म्स का रेसिप्रोकल ले लें, we also have one property, one golden trick, that अगर ABC 3 टर्म्स AP में है, then 1 upon A, 1 upon B and 1 upon C will be in HP. Okay, HP means harmonic progression. So ये 3 टर्म्स इन टर्म्स का रेसिप्रोकल है, और ये टर्म्स कहाँ थे? They were in AP. So reciprocal of these terms will be in HP. So they are in HP, harmonic progression. Hence the correct option is C. In this question, we have to find the value of this expression. Okay, these 4 options are given to us. Suppose this value is R. So now we take logarithms both the side. Log of R will be equal to log of this entire expression. You know the formula of logarithms? Log A B C is equal to log A plus log B plus log C. Okay, so these 3 expression will come in addition. So yz to the power this plus log zx to the power this plus log xy to the power this. Now log y upon z can be simplified as log phi minus log z. Here it will be log z minus log x. Okay, here it will be log x minus log phi. Okay guys, Now see, this power can be kept here because we also have formula log x to the power m is m log x. Okay, so when we apply this formula, so this will come, exponent will come here in multiplication. So this is log y minus log z into this expression. And what is this? Log y into z. It means this will be log y plus log z. Okay? Similarly, we have this expression log z minus log x into this. It means this is log a into log b. So log z plus log x. Similarly, last expression, this will be log x minus log y into plus log y. Now just see, this is a minus b and a plus b. Okay, so we know this is log y whole square minus log z whole square. Okay, similarly we can do here also log z whole square minus log x whole square. This will become log x whole square minus log y whole square. Okay, and these values can be cancelled easily. Okay, log y is also cancelled, this is also cancelled. So what is left? This is 0. Okay, but what is this? This is value of log r. Okay, so we got log r is equal to 0. Here base is some variable. Let us say the variable is r. Okay, so what is the value of r? See, the value of r will be r to the power 0. Okay, the base to the power 0. Okay, according to the definition of logarithms, and this value is equal to 1. Hence, the value of given expression is 1. Was it interesting? Now we have to solve this question. Here the variable is there in exponent form. Okay, so what can we do here? Taking logarithms, log of this expression will be equal to log of this expression. Okay, so the power will come here in multiplication. So 4x minus 3 into log 18. This is equal to 3x minus 4 into log 54 root 2. Okay, now guys, do you have some idea how to do this? Because 18 54 root 2 we are not getting any idea. Okay, but here we can always trust on the trick. Okay, and the trick is that we have to work on the factors. What are the factors here? 54 root 2. Okay, 54 means 27 into 2. Okay, and 27 is 3 to the power 3, and here 2 raised to the power 1, or this is 2 to the power half. So let us combine. 1 plus half is 2 to the power 3 by 2. Here power 3 is common, so we can write this expression as something to the power 3. So 3 into 2 to the power half. Okay, and this is 3 root 2. So this value can be written as log 3 root 2 whole to the power 3, and 3x minus 4 is as it is. Now here also just think 18. Do we have some idea how can we write 18? 18 means 9 into 2. This 9 is written as 3 square, but this 2 also can be written as root 2 square. So this value is also 3 root 2 whole square. Yes guys. Okay, so this log 18 is log of 3 root 2 whole to the power 2, and 4x minus 3 is as it is. Okay guys, now we have the formula log x to the power m. This is m log x. Okay, which we can apply here. This power or exponent will come here in multiplication. Same here. Okay, so let us do. 2 has come here, 3 has come here. Now this log 3 root 2 is just a numerical value. Okay, so this can be cancelled. The log is gone. Now simplify. This is 8x minus 6 equal to 9x minus 12. Now simplify. 8x, shift this side, this is equal to 12 minus 6. So x is equal to 6. Okay guys, was it interesting? So in this question, a to the power x is b, b to the power y is c, and c to the power z is a. Now can we find the value of x into y into z? Please try it and write the answer in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching.